Let me show you how to create those crowded choir effects. I mean what you hear in Davido, Asake's music. Alright, we're gonna learn that in today's video, and I'm gonna show you this particular plugin that they use to achieve such mix. Alright, if you are ready, let's do this right after the intro. Yo, the name is Gosa once again, and still the solution career, providing solutions to your problems. Hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel, turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment, I subscribed. Alright guys, you're in FS Studio, and I'm gonna show you how to achieve that crowded choir effect. Super simple, using a simple plugin. So now for you to achieve that, you have to take multiple recordings. I mean the backings or the verses that you wanna achieve such mix. You have to record different dynamics of what? Voices. Now all you need to do is to route your lead vocals to the mixer track, and those particular backings you have to route them to the same mixer track. Alright, so you're gonna route them to mixer track 4, this one to mixer track 4, this one mixer track 4, like that. Super simple. Now let's listen to the vocals without any effect.
Oh girl, my head 2 weeks na me fra won't fair. Where my me wata me ya papa wata obedi me sike wi enso abeti akokan ubu mi John maje wo phone Debbie abayuka you give me love Debbie abayuka you give me love Debbie.
So we're gonna pay attention over here. Now let's go to the mixer track, guys. The secret plugin that they are using is the crowd chamber. Alright, so you can actually use this particular crowd chamber plugin. All you need to do is to click here, and you can select many monks from the preset and play with the wetness knob here. Alright, so let's listen.
Debbie,
or you can choose the Meta Earbox preset and listen. Alright, so let's add the lead vocals.
John, maje wo phone abayuka you give me love abayuka you give me love John, maje wo phone abayuka you give me love abayuka you give me love John, maje wo phone.
This is super simple. Next you have to add some reverb, then also EQ it, and that's gonna sound great. Super simple. Alright, so this is the simplest way to achieve that using this crowd chamber plugin. If this video helps you, give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. The name is Gosa. Go and practice, come back for more. Until then, see you in the next video. Stay blessed.